Today we're going to add a professional touch to your video with fade in and fade out animations. These smooth transitions will help your video start and finish seamlessly. Let's dive in. First, make sure your video clip is selected on the timeline. Next, head to the right side tab. You'll see a fade option. Click on it and you'll be able to adjust the fade in and fade out effects. To add a fade in effect at the beginning of your video, simply use the fade in slider. You can slide it to the right to control how long the fade lasts, giving your video a smooth start. Similarly, to apply a fade out at the end, use the fade out slider. Adjust it as needed to control how long the fade takes to finish, giving your video a clean ending. And that's it. You've now added fade in and fade out animations with just a couple of sliders. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Clipchamp editing tips.